Hey guys, Clint here. I'm just going to do a little unboxing. Got a parcel from Automaton Toys. I was just browsing through their website and I checked in their damaged but good section, which I always do, and I always find good grabs, which for example my Autobot HQ eye gear made. So I'll just give you a little example there. So I got another little parcel here. I got this reasonably cheap, both the same price as Deluxe from Canada. And I'm just going to start opening it while I'm talking, and then we'll get right on into this. This guy usually goes for a good price, and to get him for the price that I got him for was pretty sweet. I'll tell you what I got him for. I got him for about $14.99 or so, plus shipping, which is about $10. So very cool. And since this was a single item, it took a little bit longer than what it would for like a larger box. When I usually order stuff from Automaton Toys earlier in the week, they usually send the stuff at least by like Saturday, Sunday. The guy comes right to the door and delivers. But this one waited until Monday, even though it said it was processed on Saturday. So, not a big deal. I'm just going to take it out and show you what's in here. Yeah, there we go. Takara animated hot rod Rodimus. Very, very nice. It said the package was slightly damaged, which doesn't look too bad. Just pushed in a little bit of a crease. Not a big deal though. Actually, it looks scratched. No big deal. Very cool. So awesome. Transformers animated hot rod. Beautiful, beautiful coloring. And in honor of this, before I opened this, I was just playing around with my regular one. Very cool. Okay, so thanks for checking out my little unboxing of animated Rodimus from Automaton Toys. This is C-Spray. Please rate this video, leave a comment, and do all that good stuff. And until next time, I'll catch you guys later. See ya.